2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. Sold and only serviced here, this is an RBM of Atlanta pedigree vehicle. Blind spot assist. P01 premium package. Power driver seat with memory. Command system with navigation. Power passenger seat. Heated front seats. Electronic trunk closer. Call RBM of Atlanta today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.